How do you tell time to the half hour on a clock that has only an hour hand?
Well, hello! Welcome to the yard! Something exciting is going to happen here later today. Some of the kids in the neighborhood are going to play soccer. And we're going to watch. Right, Belle? Click the soccer ball to see what time the game starts. That's great! Thank you! So now we know that the game will start at 1:30. Oh dear, I'm afraid I may have forgotten how to read that time on a clock. And I don't think Belle knows either. But we can learn more about clocks. Then we'll figure out how to read this time on a clock. Come on, let's go learn some more.
Here's a clock with only an hour hand. A clock face shows the numbers 1 through 12 in order. Starting here. Look at the hour hand on the clock. Which choice best describes the time shown? 6 o'clock. Between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Or 7 o'clock. The hour hand points to the 6. Click the time shown on the clock. So it's 6 o'clock. Here's another clock. Look at its hour hand. Which choice best describes the time shown on this clock? 6 o'clock, between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, or 7 o'clock. Click the time shown on the clock. The hour hand points between the 6 and the 7. So it's between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Here's one more clock. Look at the hour hand. Which choice best describes the time shown? 6 o'clock, between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, or 7 o'clock. Click the time shown on the clock. The hour hand points to the 7. So it's 7 o'clock. How could you describe the movement of the hour hand on the clocks from one to the next? The hour hand starts at the 6, moves between the 6 and the 7, and then moves to the 7. The hour hand moves around the clock to measure time as it passes. What time does this clock show? The hour hand is between 9 and which other number? Right, the hour hand is between 9 and 10. So the time is between what time and 10 o'clock? Great job! The time is between the hours of 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. As an hour passes, the hour hand on a clock moves from one number to the next. When a half hour has passed, the hour hand points halfway between two numbers. In this clock, the hour hand is halfway between the 9 and the 10. You can say this time as 9:30 o'clock.
Hey, Joey, guess what we're going to do today?
Math!
Yes, but what kind of math? You want a hint?
Yes, please.
Okay, this has 2 hands, 1 face, and flies by.
Oh, I know!
What?
It's me with a jetpack!
Well, I guess that's right, but this one goes tick-tock, tick-tock,
I know, it's a clock!
Exactly right. We're going to figure out how to tell time.
Oh, I need to know how to tell time for sure.
All right, let's take a look at the question.
Great.
Okay, so Tim plays soccer at 8:30 o'clock. He eats lunch at 12:30 o'clock.
Ooh.
And he sees a movie at 1:30 o'clock.
Well, that's a busy day.
It's a very busy day. Now, our job is to look at this clock, which just has the hour hand on it, and see if we can write down what Tim is doing.
Okay.
So what we have to do is we have to figure out what time is it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here's an important clue. If we only see the hour hand, then notice that all these things are half past, half past, half past.
Right.
Half past means that the hour hand is going to point halfway between two numbers.
Okay.
And you see how the hour hand here is pointing halfway between the two numbers 12 and 1?
And 1. Yes, I do.
That's right. So what this means is that it's not 12 o'clock, but it's 12 o'clock and a half. That's why it's called half past.
Oh.
And so,
because it's halfway.
exactly. And so, in fact, this, since we see the 12 here, that means that we see this is half past 12. Because it's past 12 by half.
Oh.
So which of the activities do we see where he's doing it at half past 12? Let's see. He plays soccer half past 8.
Not that one.
He eats lunch at half past 12.
He's having his lunch.
That's right, because he sees the movie at half past 1.
That's right.
And that would be past 1. This is before 1. So, just looking at this, we see that this is half past 12. And so the answer is Tim is eating lunch right now. And we did that by looking at a clock with just the hour hand and realizing that if the hand is halfway between two numbers, it's half past.
It made me hungry too.
Me too, actually.
Oh, it was great.
Thank
now
you.
I know how to tell time.
Excellent.
Hey, you know what else I love about clocks
What?
besides math puzzles?
What?
I like jokes. So, Professor Burger,
Uh-oh.
why did the girl sit on her watch?
I don't know.
'Cause she wanted to be on time. Oh, hey, what time is it if a rhinoceros sits on your watch?
I don't know.
Time to get a new watch.
Boom, boom. All right.
What candy's always late? Chocolate.
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.
Oh,
That
and-
last one.